Hello and welcome back to Dyslexic Angler. Wow, today I'm at Guernsey. Got Dano there,
Oi, oi.
Peter G. I forgot Johnny 500 over there. Hopefully we get some red mullet, boom, and yeah.
Get you some red mullet, mate.
Dano reckons he's going to get us some red mullet tonight, so hopefully we can get into one. Look at that, man, compared to what we get down our way.
Nice big
Juicy ragworm that is.
Yeah.
So I might, what I might do as well, I might put my GoPro onto my line and send it down to see if we can get any underwater footage of fish taking our baits. So hopefully I'll bring you back with some more fish. There we go. My first Guernsey fish. Nice little bass. Let's get it unhooked. So we got another fish. Ooh. Got a tiny, incy little pouting. Let's get it back. Boom! Nice size black boom there. Lovely black boom that is. That's probably a PB for me, to be fair. I've never caught one that big, so he's going to spike me. But yeah, we've got another fish. Boom! Another fish, a little pouting. Let's get it back. So it's a pollock, not a pouting. There you go, Dano's got a nice little bass there.
Beautiful little basil. Literally the bait just hit the bottom and it smashed it. Ragworm bait.
So hopefully it starts fishing up a bit now.
We want one 10 times bigger than that.
Or red mullet.
Yeah. Want that?
So Dano's onto another bass.
Yeah, guys, lovely bass.
So that's the second one he's had.
Yeah, lovely little harbour bass. Beautiful representation of one, that's for sure. Looks good, eh?
Yeah, boy.
They look like an awesome fish. Let's get him back.
Got a little eel. It's not the eel that we're after. We need a bigger one than that. We was hoping it was going to be a red. So I'm gonna get it unhooked and get her straight back. So I'm down to my last cast now. Yeah. Hopefully I can get a... Got him? Dan's got a fish on as well. Hopefully I can get a red mullet on this last cast. So that's the first night done tonight. Been an okay night, had some fish. Better than what I've been doing back home. But for me, that's me done. Glorious fishing.
See you next time.
And Pat. Take it easy.